Okay, hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to jump straight into it. I'm going to take my head wrap off and I'm going to use my Got2b black glue just on the center of my head, and I'm going to apply quite a thin layer. This was definitely trial and error, but one thing I will say when applying the glue, avoid having makeup on that area. I would recommend getting some rubbing alcohol and taking off the makeup because it can get quite messy. Anyway, now that the glue is tacky, I'm going to add another layer on top of that, and I'm going to follow it up with a blow dryer, and my blow dryer is on cool heat. I previously set this wig with some wrap set lotion. If you'd like to know all the details about the wig, the hair and everything like that, it will be in the description box. But I'm going to basically pull my hairline forward and press on where the glue is tacky and basically stick the perimeter of the wig to my forehead. Once the middle of the wig is set and in place, I'm gonna do the same on the sides. So basically apply my Got2b, then blow dry it, and then use my comb to style the baby hairs. So you know how I said earlier that makeup can get quite messy? Yeah, this is the result. So definitely avoid makeup on that area. So now I'm applying my favorite argan oil, and I really love this oil because it doesn't weigh down the hair and it doesn't leave the hair greasy. And then I'm gonna go over my hair with my straightener. There's no like fancy way I do this. I literally just pick random bits and just straighten my hair until I feel like it's straight enough. I'm going to use my curling wand to bump the layers in the front. And I'm also going to take it on the scalp just to make it look flatter. And that's pretty much it. This is how I style my frontal wigs. This is definitely a trial and error thing. I'm definitely not a professional at this. So if you have any tips, if you have any comments, definitely leave them in the description box and I'll be happy to listen to your constructive criticism. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye!